And so right now they are pleading for more safety for workers. The company says that they have a solution that can help out. And 13 Investigates reporter Joe Bartels is back now and shows you how technology may be the key to staying safe.
While pressure mounts on local businesses to keep both employees and customers safe, one company says the key component to tracking and containing COVID-19 may be with technology that's right in your hand. It pays Nevada's bills. The gaming and hospitality industry, the Silver State's largest single private workforce, employs more than 350,000 people before the pandemic, now reeling from a shutdown and from strict rules after reopening. The state slashing more than $1 billion from its budget, the workforce also struggling big time.
It's going up like 860%. The hospitalizations right now.
Gioconda Aguero-Klein, the Secretary-Treasurer of the Culinary Workers Union Local 226, says the toll is staggering.
Every single day for us, the health and safety for all these workers is our first priority.
More than 350 workers and counting hospitalized due to COVID-19 and related complications since gaming restarted in Nevada on June 4th. At least 26 culinary union members or their immediate family members dead linked to the virus. People like 51-year-old Adolfo Fernandez, a longtime Caesars Palace employee.
My father was 100% okay. He was safe here in the house, always. And I have proof that he was negative before he stepped a foot in that company. And I will fight in his honor and for every employee in that building for their safety.
Fernandez's daughter spoke with 13 Investigates at a memorial outside the family's home in June. His family says he came down with COVID-19 after returning to work. They're calling for changes to make working safer for those that make Las Vegas sparkle.
Nobody wants to have to shut down again because you didn't take steps that you could take.
Harry Souza is the CEO of CareMinder, a Silicon Valley-based company that's come up with an app program to help track possible COVID-19 symptoms for employees and care for workers before they can expose the virus to others.
An early warning system, because if somebody does show up with a case that looks like it could be positive, your people would find that, and you could inform the local health authorities that we might have a breakout over here in this neighborhood.
Here's how it works. Employers partner with CareMinder and workers download the app on their phones. After registering with some basic information, including birth year, gender, and first and last initials, employees would open the app a couple of hours before a shift and answer questions, which may include, have you traveled out of the state? What's your current body temperature? Do you have shortness of breath, difficulty breathing, or a loss of taste or smell? CareMinder's Clinical Review Center sends reports to employers for action. Depending on symptoms and their protocols, the employer may request the employee receive a COVID-19 test or may recommend quarantining at home and monitoring symptoms. All of it before the employee even comes to work.
That confidence can come if you know that everybody is on the same regimen, if they're all reporting data, and if the data is being captured somewhere that's being monitored. So it's kind of checking in on this stuff.
Souza says his company is in talks with unions in Atlantic City, New Jersey, representing hospitality and casino workers there.
Because the unions want to be sure their employers, that their members are safe. The employers want to know that their buildings are being protected. And the public, before they go walking in, and now they're going to be checked one-to-one as they come in, but the public wanted to know that somebody is doing the right things if I'm going to go and try to have a good time at this casino or stay at this hotel.
Souza says this proactive approach can cut down on time and money spent by human resources to check in with employees and can be tailored from small businesses with 20 employees to larger companies employing hundreds, like companies on the famous Las Vegas Strip. We're told the CareMinder app uses sophisticated technology to keep any information safe. We're told that information is also helpful for contact tracers so they can try and track down anyone else who may have been exposed to COVID-19. Joe Bartels, 13 Investigates.